we've got a Volkswagen T6.1. Looks absolutely gorgeous, bully. What do you think? We like Volkswagens. That's locked. It's got like a satellite aerial on the top. What do you think of it then, Joe? Do you like the colour?
I think I do actually. Look in the garage, that's quite good.
Nice door on it. So there's your technical specs. £76,165.
No, 655.
That one's 75. Price was.
Oh right.
So it's
dropped.
Right.
Oh. If you get it on credit, you pay £100,000 for it. The thing in the window. But the garage, not bad.
3.2 MTPLM.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. Nice garage, isn't it? All in. Strap downs. Adjustable. A light at the end there. And one here. Single gas bottle. It hasn't got crash sensor on. Love the wheels. What do you think? So, Mrs. J's made herself at home. So we've got a fridge.
Oh yeah.
There.
It's not bad.
And ice box.
It's not bad. These seats are comfy. These chairs are comfy, yeah.
Are you asleep yet?
Oh, it's very comfy. I didn't think they'd be very comfy because they look quite low down, but...
Yeah, I think they're Volkswagen seats.
Yeah, very comfy.
So, it's called a van station.
Vansation, Dave.
Van station.
Do you know what? I quite like it.
I think that at a show a couple of years ago, there was one that the roof actually went up on. And this is the same. It's got a nice shower. Yeah. Separate shower. Toilet's a good height. Hello. Cupboard behind the mirror. Yeah. Looks good, doesn't it? Toilet roll holder. And a towel rail above where the shower is. Yeah. And it's just see a small pull down one for in the shower. 2 hooks. Three gas burner, soft close. Oh no, 2 gas burner and a sink. See? And they're soft close. so you don't get them slamming down. There's a little catch there just to release it. Cutlery drawer, and at the side for the bigger utensils. Yeah, you can hear the click. And there's a step there for getting in bed.
Oh.
But you have to make sure that that's retracted before.
Oh, before you open the...
Yeah, 3 drawers.
Can you get in the garage there then?
Well, that's what.
Or is it a cupboard?
That's shelving and hanging
right.
space.
Oh, that's quite
And
good.
then there's access down there to obviously the onboard water tanks. And there's your soft close. I'm not sure whether this is one of the... No, in the other it was a pull down and made part of the bed. So, but I think that's the same. Could very well be. The shower drops to make a full bed. It's a transverse double bed. Sockets there, which I think would have to be turned round because the wire coming out of a socket, you wouldn't be able to plug it in. And USBs there, and lighting switches there. Yeah. Could be holes at the top.
How long is it?
Not long. Have a look when we go outside.
These seats aren't as comfortable as those.
See, there's a socket there.
Let me have a look at the bed. And the washroom. I took my bag off. Oh, that's nice. Sink's quite deep, isn't it?
I think there's a... That drops
Yeah,
that
like
bit
that.
of the shower.
Ooh. Oh, and then this bit goes in there.
Yeah.
I quite like it. It's not for us. And getting in and out of bed on there, I wouldn't.
There's
I think it's a younger person.
station Truma blown air heating.
I think it's for a more younger athletic couple than us, Dave. I quite like it.
So that has got a furl awning on it. Free S7 tracker. And the back looks really nice. Julie. The back
Yeah, it looks nice.
looks really nice.
Yeah. It's only 5.8 long.
5.8 metres long.
Yeah.
Well, a lot condensed into that then, isn't there?
5.89.
And what's the...
Width 216, height 295. 3.2.
3.2 TPMLM 3.2 kg. So yeah.
Quite nice.
Yeah.
Not for us, but it's quite nice.
A list of the equipment. It's a VW T6 2 litre 150 bhp. and it's a tourer van, 500 MQ van station, 76.
It looks
with
quite
all
nice.
the bits on, 78. Show price 75,655. So if you like your Volkswagen, come and see them at the SMC stand or visit them at Newark and tell them you like it. So Mrs J, are you a bit partial to a camper van?
Yeah, I don't know if I can get my leg up.
Oh,
Oh,
what do you think?
yeah, quite nice. Oh, that's comfy. Comfy.
Is it leather? Look, feels like leather. Nice little fridge there.
Oh, it's even got a little ice box.
Yeah, like the ones we had in the Caravan years ago.
Yeah.
Probably a bit smaller, Dometic.
Oh, that's a deep sink.
Yeah. 2-burner.
Yeah, 2-burner. Can't sleep. Can you sleep up here then?
Yeah,
Oh, is that the bed, yeah?
that comes down on
Yeah.
struts.
Yeah. These
Please do not what?
swivel.
Oh,
Oh, these are comfy.
oh, a usual position.
Very comfy. Oh,
Has it got
especially when you're
heated
tired.
seats?
eh?
Has it got heated seats?
Yeah,
That's got heated seats.
yeah.
So do we have to buy it then?
No.
Oh.
It's been sold actually.
Oh,
Quite nice. Quite like this. It's got
Quite
it's
nice.
real oak. Yeah, it's nice.
ah.
If you're in the market for a Volkswagen,
See what it's like at the back.
yeah, it's got a seat at the back, I think.
Ah, hello, Mrs J.
Oh, you can get to this cupboard both ways.
Hello.
Hello.
Water. There. Let's just put a bit of light on.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, been
There's
sold.
the electrics. And the
Nice, the
controller.
seats are very
is just
comfy.
there, inside that
Very
cupboard.
comfy.
Yeah. What do you
Ooh.
think then, Mrs J?
Eh?
What do you think then?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. it's
If I was
quite
in the
nice, that.
market for a camper van.
Let's have a look at one of these.
Yeah. Oh, it's got
They're either a man or a crafter, I should imagine.
got an end bathroom.
Ooh. That's
all
got
right,
a
yeah.
shower.
Quite a decent shower, actually.
Yeah. And a little seat.
What is it?
What?
What vehicle?
It's a Derwent on a crafter, I think.
Oh, it's still a Volkswagen.
Yeah. It's a nice high vehicle.
A Darwin. It's a Darwin.
Yeah. On a crafter. So. let's venture in.
Oh, this is nice, Dave. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, the seats look quite nice, half cloth,
Yeah.
half leather.
Not sure about the colour, but yeah, it's quite nice.
Oh,
Look at that.
induction hob. Thetford duplex oven. 2 gas burner. Domestic.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, look at this. Nice big. Oh, yeah, it is, isn't it? I like this. It's more spacious, isn't it? Quite spacious. Nice bathroom at the back.
At the back.
Yeah. Oh, that way.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, sorry.
I'm in the privy.
Yeah. Not very private, is it?
Not this way.
Can sit on the toilet and have a nice view. Open the back doors.
TV pump up there.
That looks
Yes.
much bigger living in
Nicer. Yeah. I suppose that makes up the bed then, doesn't it?
You can actually fit through the gap.
Yeah.
The other one, the gap was about that big.
Yeah, that's wider there, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Looked at one over there and it just
I
felt
don't-
really narrow and
I think sometimes it's like you have to be a midget or a child. Yeah, yeah, it's not bad at all, this. You're in the market for it. Yeah. Nice big area to prepare as well, isn't it?
most of them.
Yeah. Right, I'll get out and then you can get in that way.
That looks fine.
Make sure there's no one in the toilet.
Especially you around.
Yeah.
So,
Ooh.
so Mrs. J, what do you think of that?
Yeah, really like that. Really like
Tempting.
that. Light's gone out.
Oh.
It's nice. If I was going for this type of thing, yeah, I like it.
It's quite
Yeah. There's quite a lot of room
Yeah.
down the middle, and I like the bathroom at the back.
Yeah.
But then you can't
Oh.
open the doors and look out, can you? Unless you're on the toilet and you want to
Oh yeah.
have a view.
Not the smell. Opening the back door.
Yeah. Yeah, obviously.
I suppose.
That's the compromise. Yeah, I know. That's the compromise you'd make, isn't it? Not being able to have the back doors open because you've got your bathroom there. But if you want a nice bathroom, that's
Yeah.
nice.
But shower and
Yeah.
toilet and sink
Yeah, I know.
in something like that, and
Yeah.
all that room inside it.
Yeah, yeah, it's quite
I
nice.
thought it,
Yeah,
and that's yeah, rolling motorhomes.
rolling homes.
Rolling home.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.